Hey everyone, and welcome back to Neil Explains, where we have this question which is 100 divided by 5 parenthesis 3 square plus root 1 minus 10 parenthesis close. Try to solve by your own within 10 seconds. After that, I will solve. Your time start now. Okay, time's up. If you have already solved this, then try to solve this simple math question. I will solve later after this question. So here we have 100 divided by 5 parenthesis 3 square plus root over 1 minus 10. And we will follow here order of operations. And first we will go for this parenthesis part, which also have two exponent part. First one is 3x square, which equals to 3 times 3, which will give result 9 here. And here root over 1 will give result 1. Okay. Actually, there are two equation of that. Okay. So first we will solve this parenthesis part, and we will write 100 divided by 5 parenthesis 9 plus 1 minus 10. We will write like this. Okay. Now here we will solve for, when we are solving this, we have answer 9 plus 1, that is 10, and 10 minus 10, which equals to 0 here, and 100 divided by 5 times 0, and anything that multiply with 0 will give result 0 here. So here right answer is 0. Okay. Technically, square root over 1 will give result 2, that is plus 1 and also minus 1. But generally we will consider this plus value, so we will write answer here 0. And moving to the next question, we have 4 minus 8 divided by 2 times 4. So we will write again our question here, 4 minus 8 divided by 2 times 4. And here we again do left to right operation, as we know multiplication presents same priority. And here we will go for this division part first, which is 8 divided by 2, and this will give result 4 here. So we will simply write 4 minus 4 times 4. Again, 4 minus 4 times 4 will give result 16, and 4 minus 16 will give result minus 12 here. So minus 12 is the right answer. And if you found this video helpful or entertaining, then subscribe us for more videos like this.